Ganun. Pag pinipilit mong wag magmukhang tanga, lalo kang nagmumukhang tanga. Ba't ganun?
40 pesos. Good evening po, sir. Order po kayo?
Ay, hindi. Ba't naman ako order? Di ba counter to? Ano ginagawa dito? Di ba umorder dito? Ha? Kaya pwede? O-order ako, pwede? Ha?
Sige po. Meron po kami burger, chicken, mga rice meals. Ano pong gusto niyo?
Oo. Nababasa ko. Ha? Tingin mo sa akin, di ba magbasa? Ha? Tingin mo, hindi ko alam basahin yan? Mga chocolate na yan? Ha?
Ay.
Ibang word yan? Ha?
Hindi po. Meron po kami bago ngayon. Sisig rice meals po. Masarap po yun.
Sinabi ko bang hindi? Sinabi ko hindi masarap? May sinabi akong ganon? Ha? Ba't pinangunahan mo ko? Eh, ayoko yun eh. Iba orderin ko. Gusto ko ng burger, tsaka fries, tsaka iced tea.
Ila-large na po ba natin yung fries and drinks?
Ila-large. At tingin mo, matakaw ako? Patay gutom? Ha? Tingin mo, matakaw ako? Patay gutom? Kaya gusto ko large? Ha?
Hindi naman po. So, bali ang order niyo po, burger, regular fries, tsaka drinks. Yun lang po ba?
Ay, yun lang. Yun lang. Minamata mo ko. Ha? Tingin mo yun lang kaya ko bilhin. Ha? Yun lang mo yung in-order ko? Ganon? Ganon?
Hindi naman po. Bale, 83 pesos po lahat.
Pati kang to. Oh.
I receive 100 pesos po.
Alam ko. Ako nagbigay sa iyo niyan eh. Mukha ba 500 yan? Tingnan mo yung kulay. Kulay ube. 100.
Ito po yung ano nyo, yung order nyo. Tsaka yung change nyo po, sir. Enjoy your meal po.
Enjoy your meal. I-condition talaga ako. Enjoy my meal. Eh, paano ko di ko ma-enjoy? Ano ba pinagdaanan ko ngayon? Ang dami ko problema sa buhay. Hiyang-hiya naman ako sa iyo, ano?
Han.
Hi, Han.
Hi, Han.
Upo ka muna. Happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary.
Ano yung regalo mo sa akin? Nakalimutan mo bumili, no? Mahal-mahal pa naman ang regalo ko sa'yo.
Meron akong regalo sa'yo. Itong buong restaurant na to, binili ko na para sa'yo. O ano, may reklamo ka pa?
Mahal, happy anniversary. Oh, nasa regalo ko. Anniversary natin, wala ka regalo sa akin. Ano ba naman yan?
Hindi ko nakalimutan na anniversary natin, no?
Eh, nasa regalo mo sa akin.
Nakalimutan ko kasi yung pambili sa'yo, eh.
Hi, babe!
Hello?
Happy anniversary! Asan na yung gift mo para sa akin?
Wait, don't tell me. Nakalimutan mo, no?
Paano mo nalaman?
Eh kasi, pantalon mo nga nakalimutan mo. Gift ko pa kaya?
Oh, hi, Laway. Good evening, bubble gangers. This is your Pinoy boy, Mikey Bustos, from the land far away in Canada. And I am here live to share with you my observations on the Pinoy house here in the Philippines. Have you noticed that Pinoys usually treat their house like museums, like gas? Meaning, most of the things inside are only for display and admiration lang. And since most of them are only for display, a lot of them are actually broken and do not work anymore. There are a few stateside 110-volt appliances that have been plugged to 220-volt outlets many years ago. And a number of gadgets with missing parts and some padlock boxes with no more keys, my gosh. But they are still around in the typical Pinoy house for a better pasosi impression and a stronger audience impact. Ordinary visitors are usually entertained at the porch or veranda, while close friends and relatives are ushered in directly to the kitchen via the back door, because the sala or living room is reserved only for special gatherings like birthdays and fiestas. The Filipinos do not usually eat at the dining table. Instead, they eat at the kitchen. Because they also do not even cook in the kitchen, my gosh. But outside in the dirty kitchen. The imported delatas or canned goods on the glass-covered cupboards are usually part of the museum display. They are only served for special visitas on special occasions. Actually, a lot of them could be considered high-price antique because of their expiry dates. Ang galing talaga ng Pinoy. So the next time you visit a Pinoy house, feel free to suggest that, why don't they hang a sign that says, God bless our museum. Bye-bye, barangay.
Capture the island experience anytime, anywhere with Barokay Ram.